Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just download it. Then go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps over here. Then you need to click on Settings and choose Default App Settings. Over here, pick one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I will go into Browser section and click on Opera Mini to set it up. Then you need to click on Change and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!